kamusta po si Tatay Digong?
So he's doing well. I brought him lots of snacks today, including this.
Maayong adlaw. Atong paminawon karon ang pamahayag ni Katie Duterte, no, bahin sa update ni PRRD dito sa Dahig, ang status in town sa atong pinalanggang presidente. Trabaho sa mga inampak, no, isugamakit down si PRRD dito sa Dahig. Karon atong paminawon ang update.
Kung kamusta po si Tatay Digong?
So he's doing well. I brought him lots of snacks today, including this. He likes cheese, so I brought him it was like a pancake or a cookie, and then this one, the Doritos, and what was the other one, the waffles, the caramel waffles. So I brought him a number of snacks today, along with a couple of beverages to choose from. I brought him Gatorade and green tea, but he then requested for Coke Zero again.
Mga ni mga kabiyahe, no, nga si PRRD mahilig yung kayo sa Coke Zero. So isa sa pinaka, no, nakapakusog sa sales sa ning Coke Zero, kay kanang naa siya mga meeting, no, makita din nato sa lamisa nga naagay mga Coke Zero nga naka-prepare para sa iya. So padayon ta.
So syempre kailangan masaya siya, so I had to give it to him. Pero I told him na it should be his last can for the day because he already had it for brunch. So we came to an agreement, sige, last na to today, bukas na naman. When I first arrived, I gave him a brief summary lang of the current events right now, and then we quickly shifted to family matters. And then as we were talking about family matters, the medical officer came in. She was just asking a few questions about my father's hobbies in the past, and I mentioned golf, tennis, firing, riding motorcycles, and then she asked about his favorite music because as we all know, music helps stimulate the mind, and inside it gets lonely, it gets distressing, especially when you're alone. So I gave her a list of his favorite artists.
Mao ni natiti ni Pangulong Duterte sa mga Pilipino, no, bisan pa man sa iyang mga gibuhat, grabe iyang sakripisyo. Tanawa karon ang gibalo sa mga salbahis sa iyahan, no. Gihatod gid siya dito sa Dahig. Kining trabaho nila Tore, ilahan ning maniobra ang mga ang mga bangag government. Ilahag yun planuhan nga mahatod gid dito. Mao na ni natiti sa atong pangulo nga unta, no, ang mga katawhan sa Pilipinas angay gid kayo nga magpasalamat nga na presidente si PRRD, kay kung wala na ning Pilipinas, naglangoy na ni og mga droga karon. So padayon ta.
Si Andrea Bocelli, Sarah Brightman, and all the plays we used to watch. I mentioned Les Miserables, and the other one, Phantom of the Opera. Yun yung favorite niya. So I told the medical officer so that they could help him doon sa loob para he could listen to it again. And yun yung medyo ma-relax yung mind niya. Kasi syempre, kahit sino naman na nandun sa loob, siguro anuhan talaga ng emotional, mental, physical distress. So ayun, for sure the music will help with his feelings of,
Sa current affairs po, meron siyang mga reaction sa mga nabalita?
Ang pinag-usapan ko naman yung anomaly sa flood control budget, and then ayun, tumawa lang siya. Tinanong, he asked if was this the problem nung president ako. Sabi ko hindi. You were a good one. You were an excellent one. So ayun, tumawa lang siya, then he quickly shifted na to the family matters. He was looking for my mother again, and kasi akala niya, he thought that I'm alone here, but I said no, my mother's just waiting there because you know the situation already. And kasi he was asking if I roam the streets alone here. I said no, don't worry, I'm not alone. Tapos he told the medical officer na she cannot be alone because she's 16 years old. Sabi, no, I'm 21 years old na. So, ayun, tapos, and then he shifted the topic again to my sister VP. But then he said, but my eldest girl, the vice president, she's a tough one. So she can be alone all the time. And then he mentioned my sister's encounter with the sheriff a few years back to the medical officer, and we just laughed about it. And yeah, he was talking very fondly about her. So, ayun. And then again to Mira, he was asking questions. I just keep reassuring him that the family is doing okay, we're doing well, we're all healthy, and you know, we're safe. Because of course, I don't want to add to his worries inside. So, well, totoo naman, we're doing fine. We're not in the best situation given of all of the events that happened, but we're okay. And as long as we're okay, ang sabi niya, as long as the family is okay, he's okay. So,
okay, dahil request
kasi,
naman niya.
Di na ako nakapaghilamos. Kaya I was feeling under the weather when I woke up. So, I woke up exactly 30 minutes before the visit. 1:30 yung visit. I woke up 1. So, I just grabbed my bag, put on the coat, and then I had to leave na. So yes.
One question.
Can we reserve na lang for Monday, ha?
Yes, we will reserve for Monday.
Yung mga first-timers lang, pwede ba? Very quickly, ganito, ha?
Mauto mga kaumano ang pamahayag ni Kitty Duterte kabahin sa status sa atong pinalanggang presidente, no. So manghinaotang si Tatay Diggs makagawas gyud dito sa labing dali nga panahon aron makauli sa dinhi sa Davao. So ato lang tabang agampo nga unta, no, makauli na siya aron nga maka-relax gid siya ug tarong kay lisod kay nandito sa lain nga nasud, no, ang comfort zone gid baya tawo ni PRRD na babagid tawo dinhi sa Davao. So hangtod sa sunod mga kabiyahe, daghang salamat sa tanan o manghinaot ko nga maka-subscribe mo ni atong Pinobre nga channel. Katulang og amping.